Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we'll explore professional LUT packs inside Photoshop. Open your image in Photoshop and make sure your basic exposure and color corrections are already done. Professional LUT packs work best when the image is clean and balanced. Go to the Adjustments panel and add a Color Lookup adjustment layer. In the Properties panel, click on the LUT drop-down and load external LUT files if needed. As you preview different LUTs, focus on how they affect shadows, highlights, and skin tones. Choose a LUT that gives a strong professional base without destroying details. Lower the opacity to blend the LUT naturally.